Hi, my name is Vishal Rathi. I'm an electronics engineer and currently I am preparing for aviation. I am currently preparing for DGCA, all three papers which are regulation, air meteorology as well as navigation and cadet. And in cadet I am basically primarily looking to enroll into L3. Experience has been amazing. To be honest, I can't even fathom it because it's really great. My experience on the A320 simulator was really good. To simply put it into words, I had basic theoretical knowledge regarding the same, but to experience it practically firsthand was literally nerve-wracking. And I look forward to experiencing it more in the future.